We have to show that this function, which is described as f of x comma y is equals to x square minus y square upon x minus 5, at what point x comma y is not equals to 1 comma minus 1. This means that x comma y is not exist in this interval, right? If x comma y equals to this interval, then the function's value becomes 0. So we have to prove that this function is continuous and differentiable at 1 comma minus 1. We have noticed that it is asking for the interval continuity, not for the point continuity. So we have to solve for point to point continuity. That means that at the end points of the interval. For continuity, we have to take limit x comma y tending to 1 comma minus 1, which is when we take x is 1, then it is 1 square is 1 and minus y square is minus 1 ka whole square, which is 1. So 1 minus 1, it becomes 0 upon 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, then 0 upon 2 is equals to 0. So this functions at 10 x comma y tending to 1 comma minus 1, it function's value becomes 0, and the given function is described as at the interval x comma y is equals to minus 1 comma 1. This is also 0. So the function is continuous. This implies that function is continuous, because if the limit exists at the same point, the function's value is same, so the function is continuous, right? Now after continuity, we have to describe for differentiability. For differentiability, take a path y is equals to mx, then the function's value is equals to becomes x 1 minus m square upon 1 minus m. That will take derivative of this function, which will becomes x is 1 and then 1 minus m square upon 1 minus m, which is equals to 1 plus m. So the differentiability of the function exists at 1 comma minus 1.